All right, hey everybody. I just wanted to show you guys this tool that I sent you guys out for the lab 8.2. What this tool is going to do is instead of you having to calculate your CEs and VEs and drawing your graphs, what this will do is it'll calculate it for you. So what you'll do is you'll do your lab as it is shown. Make sure with your lab you're measuring from the center of the target to the closest point of the bag, and that you're measuring in centimeters. That way we have consistent measurements across everybody for the entire class, so that when we upload our data to the class data, we have consistent data. What you're going to do is you're going to measure your distance between your beanbag and the target. Again, the center of the target to the closest part of the beanbag. And then you can see here we have block 1, block 2, block 3, um, block 4, and then our retention test and our transfer test. Um, what you're going to do is you're just going to put your distances in here, list them all in here into the yellow. As you list those in here, it'll calculate everything for you and draw your graphs for you. So you'll put in your numbers here, and you can see that it'll start to calculate some stuff. And so what it'll look like at the end when you put your data in is it'll look like this. So again, I've put in all my data here. It calculates my CEs and my VEs. And then what I've done up here is I have our CEs for blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, retention and transfer, and then our VEs for the same. And what we can see here is we can see our graph showing our nice performance curve right here. You can see that as we went through practice, we get that nice looking performance curve. So we improved from block 1 to block 4 is what we're looking for. And then we can see what happened in our retention and what happened in our transfer. Over here, the same thing. We have a nice little performance curve here, and then our retention and transfer. Remember, our CE is our measurements of accuracy, and then our VE is our measurements of variability. So yeah, hopefully that tool will help you guys get some nice clean data, and then we'll have really good data to share with each other. If anybody has any questions on this, please don't hesitate to reach out. But again, all you really need to do is fill your numbers into the yellow here, and it'll do the work for you. So hopefully this is a nice little tool, and we'll get you what you guys need.